Well, the European Parliament is back to work after the summer break, although we still have glorious sunshine here in Brussels. It's been warm and here to enjoy the weather and, of course, to enjoy a taste of life in Parliament is Lora Jones from Llandwrog, who's a student in Warwick University. Why have you chosen to come to Brussels this week?
It's just such a good opportunity to come and see the work of Welsh people in Brussels, and also for anybody studying French. It's a nice merger of the two as well, and particularly if you've got an interest in politics, it's been really interesting. Yeah.
So you've had a chance to use your French and speak some French and some Welsh, of course, as well. We've got a lot of Welsh speakers here in Brussels as well. What other things have you been doing? Anything that you've enjoyed in particular?
Sitting in on really interesting, pertinent things to Wales, like the agriculture and the CAP, and also more international affairs like Palestine and Syria, and seeing the work that you and Welsh people do on that has been very interesting as well.
Yeah. There's a huge variety of things going on in the Parliament. You've seen a little bit of it. You've just been here for a week to experience some of that. What about your future? What are your plans, if you have any yet? Might you think of coming back to Brussels at some point in the future?
Well, hopefully I'd like to make an application to come back as an intern, and hopefully that'll go well. We'll see. So hopefully I'll be back here in the future.
Well, I hope so too, because I know you've enjoyed it, but it's been a pleasure having you here, and we need to really show the best of the talent that we have amongst young people in Wales to the European Parliament and to the community in Brussels. So thank you very much, and I hope we will be welcoming you back at some point.
Thank you.